Okay, so we're here in the arm training TE, and what I'm going to show you is a little bit about the position known mode for the harm. So we'll go make sure the harms are powered on. Let's power those on. And while those are spinning up, I'm going to look at the HSD. I'll make that the center of interest, and we have a couple of pre-planned SA2s. You can see this cursor around. I'm going to TMS up to select EPT 56. So now my harm is pointed at that steer point. I'm going to go to the position known mode, because that's the mode that we're talking about. I'll make the weapon page a sensor of interest, and you can see I've got station 3 and 7 with the harm. And nose wheel steering will cycle those stations. TMS left will cycle the pages, and we'll get to table 2. TMS right will select these different threats that are programmed into that table. So you can see I've got a 2-minute and 15-second time of flight, and it'll impact at 21:02:28. The harm is pointed at steer point 56, which the 2 tracker should be at. And as I kind of change the parameters of the harm, you have to wait for the ready signal. They call it the handoff in the manual. So the pinky switch is going to switch between the EOM, RUC, pre-brief mode. The uncaged button will cycle through the different options of the mode: target isolate, non-co-op, shutdown, and then off. So that's the uncaged button. Cycle through those. Get to those later in the lesson. So my harm is pointed at steer point 56 again. Harm is ready, so the handoff has completed. Now I can fire this harm. It will fly to steer point 56, and it'll time out in about 1 minute and 25 seconds.